Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming device compatibility and two-factor options. This prevents roadblocks. Next, pick a private VPN that explicitly offers AES 256 or CHA-CHA-20 encryption, a strict no-logs policy, and a reliable kill switch, because privacy hinges on these choices. Subscribe, then download the correct app for your OS. Once done, make sure you store credentials securely and enable 2FA where available. This reduces account takeover risks and gets you ready to install and configure immediately. You install the VPN app, grant only required permissions, and apply updates right away. Outdated clients leak. Then you choose a protocol WireGuard for speed, OpenVPN for compatibility, and enable the kill switch plus DNS and IP6 leak protection because these settings prevent data exposure if the tunnel drops. Once configured, pick a server based on your goal, nearby for performance, farther for jurisdictional privacy. After that, run a quick speed and leak test to confirm the tunnel works as intended. You always connect the VPN before visiting sensitive sites, then verify your IP and DNS with a leak test to confirm the tunnel is active. If you experience drops, switch protocols, restart the app, or change servers, these quick actions often restore stability. Make sure Auto Reconnect is enabled and keep the app updated to patch bugs. If problems persist, export logs and contact support. They can analyze handshakes and routing. Finally, periodically recheck settings to maintain consistent privacy protections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.